natural number and whole number. Introduction of natural number and whole number, properties of addition, properties of multiplication. Hello students! Today we will learn very important topic, natural number and whole number. Early man lived in the wild. Over a period of time, he began to settle on the banks of the rivers. He began to raise crops and keep cows, horses, sheep and other animals. He then needed to know how many animals he had. This made him think of the concept of number. You know the numbers 1, 2, 3, etc. that are used for counting, as well as their respective symbols. 1, 2, 3, 4. This group of numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is called the set of counting numbers or natural numbers. The numbers in this set are called counting numbers or natural numbers. To write numbers, we use the 10 symbols or digits 0, 1, 2, 9. Hence, our system of writing numbers is called the decimal system. For example, the numeral 1 in the number 41069 is in the thousands place. Hence, the value of this numeral is 1000. The 0 in the hundreds place shows that the place is empty. Considering 0 to be a number also, it was added to the group of natural numbers and a new group 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 was formed. This is known as the group of whole numbers and the numbers in this group are called whole numbers. On observing these numbers, we see that 1. These numbers increase in value as we go from left to right. 2. As we go further to the right, we keep on getting more numbers. There is no end to these numbers. Hence, it is not possible to tell the biggest natural number or the biggest whole number. 3. The smallest natural number is 1. 4. The smallest whole number is 0. Now, properties of addition. To understand these properties, carry out the following additions. Observe the numbers in the given examples and also the solutions. From the solutions, you will be able to see the following properties of addition. 1. The numbers in each example are whole numbers. Their sum is also a whole number. 2. Even if we change the order of the numbers to be added, their sum remains the same. 1. If 0 is added to any number or a number is added to 0, their sum is equal to that number. 4. When we add any three whole numbers, their sum remains the same whether we carry out the first addition or the second addition first. We can write these properties by using letters for numbers as shown below. If A, B and C are whole numbers, then 1. A plus B is also a whole number. 2. A plus B is equal to B plus A. 3. A plus 0 is equal to A. Also, 0 plus A is equal to A. 4. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. Properties of multiplication. Solve the following examples. You will learn certain properties by observing the examples and their solutions. From the solutions of these examples, we can see the following properties. If A and B and C are any whole numbers, then 1. A into B is also a whole number. 2. A into B is equal to B into A. 3. A into 1 is equal to 1 into A is equal to A. 4. A into B into C is equal to A into B into C. A property of multiplication and addition when used together. To explain this property, an example has been solved in two different ways. 23 boys and 28 girls of a class went for a picnic. If the contribution was Rs 50 per head, what was the total amount collected? We solve this problem with two methods. Method number 1 is, total number of boys and girls are 23 plus 28 comes to 51. So total amount collected is equal to Rs 50 into total number of boys and girls. That is 50 into 51 comes to Rs 2550. Method number 2. Amount collected from boys is equal to Rs 50 into 23. Amount collected from girls is equal to Rs 50 into 28. The total amount collected is equal to amount collected from boys plus amount collected from girls is equal to Rs 2550. From the two methods of solving the problem, we can see that 50 into 23 plus 28 is equal to 50 into 23 plus 50 into 28. From the above examples, we learn another property, namely that if A, B and C are any whole numbers, then A into B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C, or that A into B plus A into C is equal to A into bracket B plus C. The use of the properties of addition and multiplication. You can see from the following examples how calculations often become easier by using the properties of addition and multiplication. Example 1. Add 1749 plus 2568 plus 3132. The sum of the numbers 68 and 32 formed by the digits in the tens and units place is 100. The second and third numbers were added first. Example 2. Multiply 125 into 263 into 8. We know that 25 into 8 is equal to 200. It is easy to carry out 125 into 8. The order of the numbers was changed and the multiplication. 125 into 8 was done first. Use of the property of multiplication and addition used together. Let us take example based on property. Example number 1. Simplify 1. 47 into 93 plus 47 into 7. Examples are of the form A into B plus A into C. Therefore, the property A into B plus A into C is equal to A into bracket B plus C was used to rearrange the expression before simplifying. Example number 2. Multiply 105 into 105. The number 105 was written as 100 plus 5. Hence, it became an example of A into bracket B plus C. A into bracket B plus C is equal to A into B plus A into C. This property was used to simplify the expression. Summary. In this topic, we learned natural number and whole number, properties of addition, properties of multiplication, the use of the properties of addition and multiplication, use of the property of multiplication and addition used together. So that is all in this topic, student. Keep learning.